We're having a walk going to Siam Paragon, or kasi the main road is so traffic. So Siam is there only. So we took a taxi. Taxi driver said that we have to walk. It's just 2 minutes rather than be caught in a traffic here. So this is the shopping center of Vietnam. Vietnam, Thailand, Bangkok. Straight ahead lang tayo. No? Yeah. Ba't tayo ko na pagkamala na Vietnam to? Kasi kakausap namin kayo ng mga Vietnamese eh. So we're here in Bangkok. We're going to Siam Center, Siam Paragon, to meet yung taga Jansan, classmate ni Maya. So going here. Ha? After? Sa train station? Okay. So, yung S22 hindi masyado siya magulo. Maglakad oh. Para siyang may stabilizer. So consumerism, no? Everywhere. Doon ka sa main road kanina, grabing vehicle build up going here kasi nandito yung shopping area. No, you have Siam Paragon, Siam Center, Siam Square. Let's go here. 4 meters, 40 meters. Huh? Okay. Motorcycle parking here. Okay tayo? There's a connecting. Yan, Siam Center. Okay. Center ba tayo? Center na? Okay. Daag. Okay, we're here.